Namaste, children. How are you all? I hope all are safe. Children, we last class in last class we discussed digits and periods and how to write the number name in the Indian system of numeration. Okay. So now how to write the number name and then numbers on the abacus to represent the digits. Okay. So now today we are going to new concept. That concept has to be you have okay Indian and international system of numeration. Okay, Indian first we have learn Indian and then go for international system of numeration. Okay, so Indian system of numeration, look at that. I will write the place value chart already I have written. Okay, so look at that. So we can Indian system of numeration we can consider two steps. So what are the two steps are there? So first one is periods, second one is places. Okay, which is the places, which is the periods are there? Okay, first we have to understand. Okay, now it means what is the use of periods, what is the use of places? Okay, periods has to be used to, we can use to comma, put the comma, put the comma, so we can express the number name easily. Okay, places means we find the place values. Okay, places has to be we can understand the places, we get the place values. So periods has to be and find the number is it is lakh or crore, we can easily find out. So periods, how to give the periods? So in the Indian system of numeration totally four periods are there. So which are four periods are there? First one is ones, so and then thousands, and then lakh, and then finally crore. Totally four periods are there. Okay, every periods having two groups are there. So and then once only three groups remaining has to be called as two groups are there. So thousands also two groups, and lakh also two groups. So we can make the crore, so it comes to three groups are there. 100 crore we can explain it, but we cannot mention the 100 crore 200 crore, we cannot write it. So but we can do only two groups are there, we can easy, so we can sometimes told it 100 crore 200 crore, we have to tell that. Okay, so now these are the periods. So upside, so totally four periods I am already told. Four period, ones, thousands, lakh, and crore. So 100, that is those are called as periods. Those are called as periods. Now and then places, ones have three places: ones, tens, 100. Ones having ones, tens, and 100. So it is considered for three places in ones. We can now go for the thousands. Thousands means how many periods, how many places are there? 1,000 and 10,000. We have write the number name: 22,000, 42,000, 62,000, 11,000, 4,000. We can express that is as to be thousands as two groups are there. So which one is 1,000 and 10,000? Now go for the lakh. So first one is lakh. It means having two groups, lakh and two 10 lakh, lakh and 10 lakh. So we should write 25 lakh, 36 lakh. We should write it together. That is called as periods. So that is called as places. Okay, lakh having two places. Now go for the crore. Crore having two. So crore and 10 crore. Crore and 10 crore. Okay, so using this place value chart, write the Indian system of, write the number name. Okay, write the number name using the Indian system of numeration. Okay, so now write the number name. So using the place value chart, write the number name. Sometimes comma has to be given, sometimes not given to the comma. So how to put it the comma? So this number has to be written. Okay, first I will cancel this number, so put it the comma. Periods has to be first, we can understand, and then go for the number name. Okay, so now I will write the number. Okay, these are the digits. So first we make the periods. Sometimes periods has to be given, we can write the number name. Sometimes not given to the periods. Okay, periods means comma. Keep in the mind. Periods means comma. So how to put the comma to given the digits? First we put the every periods has to be given to the comma. So first before 100. So after 100, first one comma. Thousands place first one comma. Keep in the mind. So hundreds after, that is first comma. Next 10,000 after one comma. Lakh has to be one comma, and then 10 lakh has to be one comma. Keep in the mind. So we can write it first. First one period it is, that has to be first comma. This is second comma, and then third comma. So we have to put it first here, hundreds after, next 10,000 after, and then 10 lakh after. So we can put the comma. Okay, so now, so start from right side to left side. So we can write the number, so digits. Okay, okay, now put the comma. First period has to be over. Now go for the second. Okay, 5 6. So it has to be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 10,000 after one comma. 10,000 after one comma. Next, then, so if it is no digits are there, we can enough it. It is number. Enough the number. Enough the digit. Don't put the dot. Okay, don't put the comma. So now go for next comma, 8 2. So first comma, put it hundreds before, hundreds after. Next one 10,000 after. Next one 10 lakh after. Okay, so first and then write the place values. Okay, places first we should write, and write the number name. Okay, using the Indian system of numeration. So it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 10 lakh and crore. So we write the number name. Places has to be put in left side, right side to left side, and then the number name right in the start from left side, left side to right side. Okay, left to right. Okay, now write the number name first. So how much is crore? 1 crore. We should write the number name 1 crore. Next, together we should write how much? 28 lakh. 28 lakh. So we can tell the places, and then together we said to place value. So it means number together. So how much it is? 28 lakh. Next 28 lakh. Next 65,000. 65,000. Next, how much? 65,000. Next, go for 930. 930. 930. 930. Okay. So now this type we should write the number name. So first crore, then lakh, then thousand, and then ones. So put it the periods first, and then write the number name. Okay. So how to put it the comma? After 100, next after 10,000, and after lakh, after 10 lakh. So we can put the comma. So now go for write the, what is the second? Shall I go for second one? Okay. Now put the comma. Okay. Write the numbers first. Put the comma. First, so first count the ones, tens, 100, comma first. Next, after 100 place. Next, 1000, 10,000, 1 comma. Next, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 comma. So this has to be put the comma. So now write the places, place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So 10 crore, crore, we can write together. Lakh, 10 lakh, write together. 1000, 10,000, write together. Okay, don't separate. Okay, so now write the number name. Okay, so now 75 crore, 75 crore, 75 crore, 75 crore. Next, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh and then lakh, write together. 32 lakh, 32 lakh. Next, 43,000, 43,000, 43,000. Next, 27, 43,000, 27. Okay, this type we should write the number name. Okay, this is the Indian system of numeration. First, write in the CW, place value chart of Indian system of numeration, place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Then write the number name using the Indian system of numeration. Okay, first periods has to be how to put it the periods, and then write the number name. Okay, first I will tell once again. Periods, first periods, first we start and then hundreds, 100 place after first period, then 10,000 second comma, 10,000 after second comma. Next one, 10 lakhs, third, fourth comma, so third comma, so we can use to the periods, then write the number name. Okay, so now 75 crore, 32 lakh, 43,027, that is the number name. So this is called as Indian system of numeration. Now, so it here, so we can consider for one ones means one, one ones means one, 10 ones means 10. Okay, 100 one means 100. Okay, we can consider for 100. Okay, now go for the tens. One tens means what? 10. 5 tens means 50. 10 tens means 100. 100 ones means 10 tens. Keep in the mind. 100 ones means 10 tens. Okay. Now, 100 means 100 means 1. Okay, 100 means 100. Okay. 10 100 means what? 10 100 means 1000. Okay, 100 means 100 means we can consider for the 10,000. Okay, so now this concept we have to learn. Okay, so now, okay, so it is the Indian system of numeration. Okay, now go for the international system of numeration. Okay, before going to international system, just learn some concepts. Okay, so now we can understand for the Indian system of numeration. So look at that. So 10 ones means 10. Okay, so I'm already told the concept. So now 10 tens means 100. 10 tens means 100. So 10 hundreds means 10 hundreds means 1000. Hundreds means 10 has to be, we make it is called as 1000. So now 10 10,000s. 10 10,000. 10,000s means 10 is there, that is considered for the lakh. 10 10,000s is considered for, that is totally 10 1 lakh. Now 100 tens means, 100 tens means 1000. 100 tens means 1000. Now finally 100 thousands means 1 lakh. 100 thousands means 1 lakh. Okay, the concepts has to be very easy. Learn, I will tell once again. 10 tens means 100. 10 tens means 100. 10 hundreds means 1000. Okay, now 10 ten thousands. 10 thousands means 10 we can make 1 lakh. Okay, now 100 tens means 1000. Next 100 thousands means 1 lakh. Okay, now this concept, and then so write the Indian system of numeration. Okay, now okay, your exercise first B. Okay, today only Indian system of numeration. Next class we will go to international system of numeration. Okay, now look at that. So in the write the number name using the Indian system of using Indian place value chart. That is called the Indian system of numeration means place value chart. This is the place value chart. Using this place value chart, write the number name. Write the number name using the Indian place value chart. Exercise first B, first main, solve in HW. Solve in HW. Okay. So now next class we will discuss for the international system of numeration. Okay. Watch the video and then find the for answer the following questions in the exercise first B, first main. Okay. Dhanyavad students. Thank you so much.